हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज आम क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 रु प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिबा एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन कौन कहूँ वेरीफाई दैट ए बी ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू बी ट्रांसपोज इंटू ए ट्रांसपोज where A matrix will be 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 and B matrix will be 1 2 2 0 minus 1 and 1. Now you can solve. One, two, three, three minus two, one, and B matrix will be 1 2 2 0 minus 1 and 1. A matrix will be given 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 and B matrix will be 1 2 2 0 minus 1 and 1. We can show that verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. To show AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, the property of transpose of a matrix also, so that you can taking LHS sides first AB transpose, so that we can first find the AB matrix. AB matrix means A into B matrix multiplication, then we can find the transpose of a matrix, so that A matrix into B matrix dot B matrix equal to 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 into B matrix 1 2 2 0 minus 1 1, so that this matrix of order 3 by 2 not, this is a matrix of 2 by 3 2 to 2 rows and 3 columns, so that matrix of 2 by 3, this will be the matrix of 4 by 2, not, it is not a 4 by 2 matrix, it is a matrix of 3 rows 1 2 3 3 rows, so 3 2 columns 3 by 2 matrix. Now it can multiply due to our condition satisfied 3 number of row columns of first matrix and 3 number of rows of second matrix, so this matrix will be multiplied. How to multiply it? Rows into columns, rows into columns, row into columns multiplications, so that we can multiply it first 1 2 3 with the first column 1 2 minus 1 with the respective element, that is first with first, second with the second, and third with third, so that 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1, first column multiplication शेष हो गला. एबे रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम, तो 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 0 ऑटोमेटिकली प्लस 3 इंटू 1. Similarly second row will multiply with the same methods column wise, so 3 into 1 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2 1 in minus 1, so that plus minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Similarly 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Now to simplify this row, this and that part, then you can find the some elements of matrix. You can solve this in Holmes. Matrix of 2 by 2, then to find transpose of this matrix, that is row transpose to column and column transpose to row. that is 1 plus 4 plus minus 3, 3 plus minus 4 minus 1. Similarly 2 plus 0 plus 3, 6 plus 0 plus 1. So that 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2. 3 2 plus 3, that is 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2, it is 6 plus 1 7. Now transpose of this matrix will be row transpose to column or column transpose to row, that is 2 minus 2 5 7. 2 minus 2 written as column wise, now you can write down the row wise. So 2 minus 2 5 7 row wise. Now this is the transpose of a matrix of AB transpose. Now question RHS side given देछि कौन ना B transpose into A transpose समान होबो. So now find B transpose and A transpose. Matrix of B will be 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1 and B transpose equal to कौन करिबा ना रो को कॉलम रे लिखिबा किबा कॉलम को रो रे लिखिबा. ए प्रोनाउन कौन कहबा ना ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. सो एटा अछि कॉलम रे थले कौन लिखिबा रो रे लिखिबा. तले 1 2 minus 1 को लिखिबा कौन 2 0 1. नाउ A transpose find. A matrix will be 1 2 3 3 minus 2 and 1 and transpose of A matrix will be 1 3 2 minus 2 3 1. Now multiplied RHS side is given B transpose into A transpose, B transpose into A transpose. So that B transpose matrix will be this. So that B transpose written as 1 2 minus 1 2 0 and 1. A transpose 1 3 2 minus 2 3 and 1. So that you can multiply row into columns and the respective elements are multiplied. That is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Again second column 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 1. Similarly second row multiplied 2 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Similarly second column से तो 2 into 3 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. So that now calculate this. 1 into 1 plus 4 plus minus 3, 3 into minus 1, 2 plus 0 plus 3. Now this will be 3 plus minus 4 minus 1. Now 2 to 3 6 plus 0 plus 1. It can 3 4 plus 1 5 minus 3. It is minus 5 minus 3 2. 3 plus minus 5 minus 2. 2 plus 3 5. 6 plus 1 7. Now our AB transpose, now you can compare like as you can see this 2 minus 2 will be B transpose into A transpose multiplications. So that 2 minus 2 B, that is 5 into 5 and 7, and AB transpose equal to 2 minus 2 5 7. This will be equal, so that our proof will be satisfied. That is AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Proof. Second question will be given, second part, that is 1 2 2 minus 3 3 4 and B matrix equal to 2 3 0 1 2 3, and also you can prove AB transpose equal to B transpose and A transpose. Same way you can prove in your forms. Just practice. Now question 29 will given, verify that A matrix equal to A, B and C, D satisfied the equation so S square minus A plus D into X plus AD minus BC into I. I means identity matrix of order also 2 by 2, so that A matrix equal to given A, B and C, D and satisfy the equation. Prove करेबा हम equation कौन कहूँ ना S square minus A plus D into X plus AD minus BC into I equal to 0. You can prove this. S square minus A plus D into X plus AD minus BC into identity matrix. Let we have to taking X matrix equal to also AD and CD, AB, CD, AB and CD. Now prove this equation S square minus A plus D into X plus AD minus BC into I. I means identity matrix of order 2 by 2, that is 1 0 and 0 1, 1 0 and 0 1, so that S square means X into X, that is we can taking let X matrix equal to A, B and C, D. So X square equal to A, B and C, D also multiplied A, B and C, D. Now you can multiply it and find the values of S square. Find the values of S square. Now using these equations, S square minus A plus D into X plus AD minus BC into I means identity matrix. You can solve likewise S square matrix minus A plus D into X equal to AB and CD plus AD minus BC into I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. You can solve and prove.